What do
I
you
feel like
want?
we need to get better at this really quick. This is literally the first attempt we've had at a vlog, and we've just literally stared at the camera and said nothing.
I guess we want to make an entry as to how we're feeling an hour before our flight.
Yeah.
Or before we leave for the airport.
You have been a bag of mixed emotions this morning.
Yeah.
So one of us is keeping it together. I might fall apart later on, but right now I'm good. It's just hot as balls.
So hot.
In this dog country that I can't even deal.
Dog.
We're literally probably going to miss our flight because it was too hot to put clothes on.
It's so hot.
It's like 36 degrees today without a word of a lie. And we're going to be hopping off the plane in 24 hours time with like a 55 degree variant. Yeah, it'll be minus 20 for 35.
Maybe not 55, but yeah.
But yeah, there's a big ass difference. This right now is probably our very last moment of peace for the next 13 months.
Yep.
A part of me thinks like we didn't really think this through. Courtney left Australia to hit the slopes in Canada, while I stayed back home to finish my university degree. As soon as that was done, I was on the first flight out to meet up with her.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away, both under influence. We had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade.
We met up and spent the next 3 years travelling the world.
To lean on, would it be good enough for me now? One night of magic rush.
We got married in 2013, and it was our love for the outdoors, snowboarding and Big White that led us to the decision to come home and find a way to make some money to be able to afford to come back.
We had a promise made, we were in love, to call for hands of above, to lean on, wouldn't be good enough for me. The heart is a balloon, shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room, no space to rent in this town. You're out of luck, and the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck, and you're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend to take you out of this place, someone you could lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day, sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day to let it get away on the road. You got no destination, you're in the mud, in a maze of her imagination. Your love is down.
the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the bedroom fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It was a beautiful day.
So, one little acronym we need is OFP. Overall feeling of positivity. Right now, what's your OFP? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Overall, what?
Feeling of, positivity.
Oh, look, I'm 100% 10 out of 10. But I just know that there's a long trip till we arrive on the other end.
Well, I'm positive. I'm 10 out of 10 right now. Because if we can't get on this flight without being OFP of 10. Good.
I think once we get to the airport, though, I think the reality will set in some more.
My arm holding this camera is really starting to hurt. So, I don't know. I'm just going to take that as a cue to stop because it hurts a bit.
It was a beautiful